How to use Espoma Organic Tomato-tone, a natural fertilizer for plump, juicy tomatoes. Tomato-tone can also be used for peppers, squash, and melons. For tomato beds, apply 9 cups of tomato-tone per 50 square feet and work into the top 4 to 6 inches of soil. Apply in a narrow band around established plants or along the sides of each row. Feed single plants every 14 days with 3 tablespoons of tomato-tone. Make sure to keep the tomato-tone at least 3 inches from the stem. To prepare the soil for potted plants, before planting add 2 cups of tomato-tone per cubic foot of soil. Mix thoroughly. To feed potted plants, sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons of tomato-tone for every 4 inches of pot diameter into the soil around the outer edge of the pot diameter. Water thoroughly. Repeat every 14 days. Espoma, organic from the beginning.